Good day, my name is Tetra de la Cruz from grade 12 Genesis, and I'll explain to you the Big Bang Theory and the definition and structure of an atom. So the Big Bang Theory is the well-known explanation on how the universe started. So basically, to define it in simple words, it states that the universe as we know it began with a small singularity, and then eventually expanded over the next 13.8 billion years to the cosmos. So the term Big Bang was coined because the theory explained that the universe came from an explosion of a small heavenly body and then eventually expanded. Discoveries in astronomy and physics have shown beyond a reasonable doubt that our universe did in fact have a beginning. Prior to that moment, there was nothing, but during and after that moment, there was something, and it is our universe. The Big Bang Theory is an effort to explain what happened during and after that moment. Our universe is thought to have begun as infinitesimally small, infinitely hot, infinitely dense, something a singularity. After its initial appearance, it apparently inflated, the Big Bang, expanded and cooled, going from a very, very small and very, very hot to the size of temperature of our current universe. In the first moment after the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot and dense. As the universe cooled, conditions became just right to give the rise to the building block of matter, the quarks and electrons of which we are all made. A few millions of a second later, quarks aggregated to produce protons and neutrons. So within minutes, these protons and neutrons combine into nuclei. And as the universe continued to expand and cool, things began to happen more slowly. It took 380,000 years for electrons to be trapped in orbits around nuclei, so forming the first atoms. These were mainly helium and hydrogen, which are still by far the most abundant elements in the universe. Present observations suggest that the first stars formed clouds of gas around 150 and 200 million years after the Big Bang. Heavier atoms such as carbon, oxygen, and iron have since been continuously produced in the hearts of stars and catapulted throughout the universe in spectacular stellar explosions called supernovae. Atoms are the smallest fraction of an element that can exist, and still show the characteristics of the element. Atoms themselves are composed initially of electrons that has one negative charge, and protons, one positive charge, and neutrons that has no charge. Atoms consist of three basic particles: the protons, electrons, and neutrons. The nucleus, or the center of the atom, contains the protons that has positively charged, and the neutrons that has no charge. The outermost regions of the atom are called electron shells and contain the electrons' negative charge.